the first to know. Nsem-Pii TV.
You are for your bed Accra High Court. President of the Republic of Ghana, President John Dramani Mahama, and almost in court with an injunction, a perpetual injunction request from the plaintiff to the High Court. Say omonfa injunction into President Mahama. So now adding to omonfa injunction into President Mahama. So at the end of all parties, say President Mahama aye illegal enfa imrakwemu. Nina acquire the appointment of Obi as the acting general commissioner of the Ghana Revenue Authority. President of the Republic of Ghana, President Mahama, over some time, a lot of appointment, ministerial appointment, CEOs for various state-owned institutions, and but some particular injunction way a injunction order to also as commissioner for GRA. Say President Mahama ultimately sa appointment with a totally illegal. Now one of these has suit Accra High Court. Adding na all case the President Mahama a illegal. Need na call into the writ of summons yen saka ye baby mo in kakra ama etiefo ehu sena suit no echo. President John Dramani Mahama has been sued over his appointment of Anthony Kwesi Sapon as the acting Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Authority. Until on January 20th, 2025, the Commissioner General of Ghana Revenue Authority resigning here, said ordinary Jumana to form because he no appointed by the former President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Now, President Mahama Ababet National, it is expected say ono abefa the Commissioner Obakako Nim Ghana Revenue Authority. Na sa announcement in the documents in circulating now, and sa KC Akwakopiem the Accra High Court. Court document cited by Nsem-Pii indicated say nipa or the suit akobo President Mahama, your friend Emmanuela Safoa, filed a suit challenging legality of Mahama's appointment of Kwesi Sapon. Near according to the details of the entire or said the President Mahama a totally illegal. Sounds were issues with conflict of interest. Ene Ghana Embrana Ebulbra Yakwakubi. The writ of summons from the High Court list President John Dramani Mahama through the Attorney General. Inti Sakesi almost expected say Attorney General and a bit defending President Mahama, but sued to know against President Mahama himself. Into Attorney General and the third defendant, and Anthony Kwesi Sapon, the first defendant, and GRA second defendant. It will sue President Mahama, but Attorney General Nebukako Treachery in Semu. Dientia omo yes adi we first illegal ene embrane ebulbra ena Kwesi Sapon nipa no mo appointed no the first defendant ono so be kwako chiri dem dientia ne appointment na ene embrane ebulbra na GRA ebe the second defendant because omo ena ye institution ye appointed no akwakodo. Now in this document no plaintiff raised concerns about conflict of interest in Mahama's appointment as for Kwesi Sapon. She argued that Kwesi Sapon still holds an interest in KPMG, where he is listed as a senior partner, and that his appointment of as GRA raises serious concerns. Ghana Revenue Authority there, you say, Obia own tree tax, omo no mo di omechi, expect to say, wa own tree tax. Wo and I said Utria and Saska when is Utria. Into a body saying now President Mahama bet me appoint to Ubia or a senior partner of a firm. Now on one so answer so quite GRA commissioner or bedding or no better say KPMG for interest tax rate and as I said tax rate. Into then Sawaha and Sawaha and none of my friends say a conflict of interest. Into Madame Emmanuel La Safoa and then the argument or advance Accra High Court. Now, Emmanuel Safwa also pointed out that the appointment of the commissioner without the existence of the governing council is illegal. Ghana Revenue Authority for our governing council via omo disi ho ansana omadia tum say we enebe commissioner and as a we enye commissioner. Sa governing council we sa board na statutory has not been instituted. Inti eba saying na utimi bo sa mra no sa conventions ni na egu na decided say obe appoint you be a governing council in your into no part say the experience of President Mahama is being questioned because this is not the first time I will be a president of the Republic of Ghana. It's not obvious expect to say some mistake we say a found in court say a error, a mistake, a illegal, a be because where lies the experience of President Mahama? Sa little name we a na name. Now Emmanuel Safwa plaintiff says that the first defendant before the letter was and or still is on the website of KPMG as at 26 January 2025, still listed as the first defendant Assad, the senior partner of KPMG, a foreign accounting practicing in Ghana. And according to plaintiff's document, our presented was Accra High Court, 26 January, and an second crack as a President Mahama were appointed Obi a friend Kwesi Sapon, say Onkoye, the Commissioner of Ghana Revenue Authority. As at that date, na Kwesi Sapon Esther the senior partner of KPMG, a foreign accounting firm, operating in the Republic of Ghana. Inti, sa based on this document, or petition court say, sa letter President Mahama Atroso said that date and or appoint to be Kwesi Sapon, so acting commissioner of the Ghana Revenue Authority. As at that date, court and engine to say President Mahama were performing illegality. Now, secondly, second defendant, that is the Ghana Revenue Authority, a statutory body with a governing council that must provide advice before the President of the Republic of Ghana can appoint a Commissioner General of the second defendant is a substantive or acting capacity. And the governing council, council be say Commissioner General be anywhere, say governing council and acting in the capacity as the Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Authority until Ombe advise President Mahama said, "Jiwe no Ombe commissioner." Na sa governing council ni engine to sa governing council no only omonye any form of consultation. Na afi de way obi say Ombe the acting commissioner of the Ghana Revenue Authority. It is an illegality, President Mahama. Aye, inti court ni inti nasem no omere omundi intiano according to Madam Emmanuela Safwa. Now, it is worth noting say KPMG for before suit we ekwakopiemo Accra High Court. Subsequently, Omo announced the resignation of Omo country managing partner Anthony Sapo. Omo announced, but suit we kopiemo court and sani yenya simultaneous information from the KPMG. It is based on documents. Courts and be decided say the President Mahama or on that date illegality and I say legality. So on the 20th, now as at 20th illegality or board the whole process at two and sana wedding was sa the appointment process now she has therefore asked the court to revoke President Mahama's appointment of Kwesi Sapon as the acting Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Authority. It's based on documents, based on the data President Mahama appointments, or this information in the children, or stress a court and June to say President Mahama inform so pa na and register na and serve as a deterrent. Said that should be any president there person appointment or beti majina sa case we so ashe the right thing and as unfollow the path of President Mahama. And the court has that responsibility put before them by the plaintiff Emmanuela Safua. Now, the plaintiff claims further or in the alternative a finding that the appointment of the first defendant, a former employee of KPMG, and or a person with an interest in KPMG, or a person who had an interest in KPMG until 21st January 2025 by the President of Ghana as the acting Commissioner General of the Ghana is unlawful, and it was made in violation of the laws of Ghana. And conform a break, I say, I didn't know or same way our court at KPMG subsequently announced the resignation of Kwesi Sapong. Or person say, as one day, that 1 day appointment, no, 21st of January, as at the day or yes, our appointment, as at that date, the court in Injunction say, illegal appointment. Now, guys, what I say, the person may appoint you, until then you have to what subsequently resign from your post as the country managing partner of KPMG. And Sana Metimi Ayede, the legal appointment. Now, on to me and Bobrana and Tubu and Koye conflict of interest and appoint you Obia, or you're still the managing partner of the KPMG, as well as the acting commissioner of the Ghana Revenue Authority. Another point so our raising wahana so the governing council and the court mbeti all those arguments Eddie say one of the first cases the current Attorney General will have to deal with in defending President Mahama. Edienti no obey sa appointment we are all share say nipa no one were resigning from the post, and now 2 were consulting the governing council or not. The plaintiff also requested an injunction against Mahama's appointment of Kwesi Sapong. An injunction into court in the injunction and to court in the injunction and to President Mahama. So based on this, so Oditiana said the YNA illegal on some sort of injunction and peso. Now, statement here, a perpetual injunction order against the President of the Republic of Ghana, restraining him or any person acting by his authority from appointing the first defendant, a former employee of KPMG, and or a person with an interest in KPMG, or a person who had an interest in KPMG as the acting and or the Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Authority. It is based on date documents or whatnot. Court for a perpetual injunction and to President Mahama and Sa Anasa Betriso and any other person President Mahama Beka said or delegated authority amana. So I appointed acting Commissioner General on his behalf. Further, or in the alternative to relief, a perpetual injunction order against the governing council of the second defendant, restraining the council or any person acting by its authority from considering or proffering advice to the President of the Republic of Ghana as stipulated under Article 195 of the 1992 Constitution in respect of the appointment of the first defendant, a former employee of KPMG, and or a person with an interest in KPMG, or a person who had an interest in KPMG as the acting and or Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Authority. In the case in 2 folds. First, an investigation said was the governing council of the Ghana Revenue Authority consulted based on that consultations was not done until or the case Secondly, or say court said President Mahama the appointment illegal. On some far injunction and to governing council to say Omuntimi and go ahead to advise President Mahama because what draw my attention to it because already at the end illegal. Enti omode or also as reports to some injunction so and some to governing council of the Ghana Revenue Authority in addition to injunction order to President Mahama. So the court has asked all the defendants to file their defense within 8 days of receiving the suit. Until President Mahama and the current Attorney General, they are 8 days. Say omo file omo defense in the first suit. I hate the current President of the Republic of Ghana at the Accra High Court after the appointment of Kwesi Sarpong as the acting commissioner of the Ghana Revenue Authority. Now, a brief background kakra on Kwesi Sarpong's appointment is omo appointed on the January 20th, 2025 after the resignation of Madam Julian Esiam. Now, appointment letter like I say, His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, in accordance to Article 1951 of the Constitution, Section 31 of the Ghana Revenue Authority Act 2009, Act 791, has appointed you as the Acting Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Authority, pending receipt of the constitutionality required advice of the governing board, given in consultation with the Public Services Commission. Based on Constitution and President Mahama, a year appointment now that same Constitution and Madam Emanuela Safua a challenge say that same Constitution is showing say President Mahama might have performed some illegality in this particular assignment. That letter was signed by the Secretary of the President, Callistus Mahama. Now, letter noted that the appointment takes effect on the January 21st, 2025. It is our appointment on the January 21st, 2025 no, and no now, Madam Emanuela Safua Ekase. It is illegal in the port in the Emmanuel. Yet the rate of summons ne the akahun for point of reference. You better follow case now. The ABP you can try saying Nsem-Pii TV. Yeah, the background. Yeah, that must be brave. 7